What's going on, people? Here he's back again. Different video today. Got this guy, SonicModell Mini AR Wing with, I don't know if you can see that, but we have the Foxeer mix to get some of that sweet HD footage. So heading to a local park. Not much going on today. There's a big football game going on further in town, so most of the parks are empty. So let's just get into big open spaces. Let me tell you about this. It's the PMP kit, and there's no stabiliser, there's no flight controller, it's just an FR Sky X4 RSB with channel 1, 2 and 3 hooked up to the ESC motor and the two control surfaces here and here. So let's just make sure you're alright. Yeah, looking good so far. Let me just pop this. It's been suggested to use 3-cell 1300 or 4-cell 1000. I wasn't getting, well, let me go back, I don't have any 3 cells anymore. I only have 4-cell. The 4-cell 13's too heavy, so it's making the craft too nose heavy. This one is actually running, would you believe, 650 milliamp 4S. So yeah, that's the guts. Never flown it before, built it a couple of days ago, and yeah, let's see how we get on. So radio on, let's fire up the goggles. And yeah, whatever. Let's get this guy plumbed in. And oh, there we go. So we've got a radio signal anyway. Come on, little guy, get in. There we go. So let's see if it's right. So we're good, and we don't seem to be on channel. Why on earth is that? So
son of a bitch! God damn it! Look at that! That's a money shot!
huh. Interesting.
Son of a bitch! God damn it! Look at that! That's a money shot!
I can't actually get video signal on this now. So what have we got? It says it's not finding any video. God damn it. Why is it not finding video? So you're working. Control surfaces are working. We're not getting video. Why are we not getting video, folks?
That's a money shot.
That's a bit better. Yeah. Now we've got video. Woohoo!
Son of a bitch! God damn it!
Shut up.
Look at that. That's a money shot.
I'll show you a money shot. Right, let's try again, will we? Let's get this guy in the air.
Son of a bitch! God damn it! Look at that. That's a money shot.
Apparently that's not it. The cable has come off. Yes. One did think that. It's very difficult with this mix. So let's see how we can do this. You were working earlier, you little scumbag. Why are you not working now? Let's try again. Foxeer. Ah, there we go. That's better. That's what we like to see. And it's super windy. So let's see what we can do with this thing. That's in. So we can get the rest of it done. Would you believe it just started spitting? Awesome. Got video. Yeah, there we go. Freaking awesome. Right. Why are you dipping now?
Son of a bitch!
Yeah.
God damn it! That's a money shot.
Sorry God, if this doesn't work, I'm giving up wings. Yeah, we're doing it. got a bit of wag going on.
All centered up now.
So we're tilting left. There I am. Don't need any of this fancy flight controller nonsense. So we're still tilting left. Let's go the other way. This feels so weird. Bear in mind, I'm not using a clover leaf. I'm using a little dipole video antenna. So I think we're knocking on 3 minutes of flight time at the minute with this 650 4S. It's super cool. Flying for ages. So you'll see in my previous videos I had the Caipirinha 2 and yeah, that iNav auto launch thing, it's nothing like mini quads, of course. I had to learn a lot, and this is hopefully going to get me there. Second launch attempt, I think it was. Dip low, pitch back, and then we were in the sky. Dropped the goggles down, and away we went. It's super cool. So it's now Saturday afternoon, Saturday 11th of May. This is awesome. I know you can't see me right now, but I'm actually grinning from ear to ear. Because it's so different to mini quads, it's unreal. Oh, getting a little bit low. Saw the shadow of the plane, or the wing even. That nosedive. So now 6 minutes of flight. Almost. I'll obviously have this overlaid in the video as well for the DVR and get some artifacting in the goggles. That's why I don't go so far out on that field. Whoa! There we go. I think it's about time to land. What do you folks think? I'm trying to yaw around here. It's quality! There we go. Look at that. How awesome was that? So, yeah. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell, get all the notifications, fly mini quads, and now apparently I fly wings. I really enjoyed that. So yeah, hope you have a great day, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, have a great weekend, or week ahead, whichever it is in your day that you're viewing this video. Goodbye.